My name is Gert Sarlet. I'm the product line manager with Finisar for our coherent transceivers and integrated components. We're here at OFC 2018 in San Diego, where we're demonstrating the industry's smallest coherent optical subassembly. Our integrated tunable and transmit and receive assembly, or ITTRA, is a miniature assembly that consists of a single optical subassembly which has all the key optical components of a coherent interface. That is a tunable laser, modulators, drivers, coherent mixer and photodiodes and TIAs, all in a single very small package that is combined with a miniature controller board for all the control electronics. The ITTRA is about 30% the size of a CFP2 module. So we have shrunk the coherent optics from this size to something that is about 30% the footprint. At the same time, we've significantly reduced the power dissipation down to 7.5 watts maximum over temperature. The applications for a ITTRA include integration into a digital coherent optics transceiver like a CFP2 DCO or very high density line card designs where the DSP resides on the host card. Let me walk you through the demo. At either end of the table, we have one of ITTRAs transmitting data at 200 gigabits per second using 16 QAM modulation. We have the transmit signal of one of the modules displayed on the optical modulation analyzer in the middle, showing a very clean 16 QAM constellation diagram for both polarizations. The power supply here on the left shows a power dissipation of one of the modules. It's running at about 6 watts in room temperature, and over temperature it will be less than 7.5 watts. The displays in the back show the transmit output power and the frequency at which the modules are transmitting and receiving data. So the transmit output power is about 0 dBm for both modules. In summary, we introduced today Finisar's ITTRA, the industry's smallest coherent assembly. For more information about this product, contact your Finisar sales rep.